You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is b greater than 7 over 2 greater than 31 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Combine like terms. Isolate the b. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is b greater than 7 over 2 greater than 31 over 2.